Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping fruit and activating gelatin so it's ready when the syrup is hot. Cut 300-400 g fruit into uniform pieces and remove seeds or pits. This ensures even suspension. Sprinkle 12 g powdered gelatin over 120 ml cold water and let it bloom for 5-10 minutes. This step hydrates the protein for smooth dissolution. Sterilize molds and chill mixing bowls. If you want sweeter jelly, make 200-300 ml simple syrup, now so you can combine while warm without. Once the gelatin has bloomed, warm 400-500 ml of your chosen liquid to about 70-80 degrees so it's hot enough to dissolve but not boiling, which can harm clarity. Stir the bloomed gelatin into the hot liquid until completely dissolved, then pass the mixture through a fine strainer to remove lumps and any foam. Arrange fruit in molds and pour the warm liquid slowly to avoid trapping air. Leave roughly 1 cm headspace. Make sure to cool at room temperature, briefly, before chilling to prevent condensation on the jelly. You finish by refrigerating the filled molds for 4-6 hours so the gel network fully forms. Cover to avoid fridge odors and skin formation. When set, run a hot towel around the mold or briefly dip the base in warm water for a few seconds, then invert onto a plate to release the jelly. For serving, garnish with fresh mint or citrus zest. If the jelly doesn't set, gently remelt the mixture. Dissolve 1-2 g extra gelatin per 100 ml liquid. Combine with the contents and chill again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.